Ethereum is already the most well-known cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and the third largest in overall value. Unlike the others, however, it aims to function as a widespread mode of computing platform that could, its adherents believe, make possible totally new types of social organization. Ether, ETH, the cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network, is the second one most famous digital token after Bitcoin, BTC. As the second one largest cryptocurrency through marketplace capitalization, market cap, comparisons among Ether and Bitcoin are only natural. Before moving further into the video, I want to welcome all of you to the Money Masters and let you know that we make quality money and financial videos to help people like you. Go ahead and subscribe to the Money Masters so you won't miss any updates in the future. Ether and Bitcoin are comparable in many ways. Each is a digital currency, traded through online exchanges and stored in numerous forms of cryptocurrency wallets. Each of these tokens are decentralized. That means that they are now not issued or regulated by a central financial institution or other authorities. Both make use of the distributed ledger technology called blockchain. Ups and downs came after multiple short drops under $4,000 in recent days. The lowest Ethereum's rate had gone since early October. Ethereum set a brand new all-time high on November 10th, whilst its price went over $4,850. Bitcoin and Ethereum had both been at or near their all-time highs before this recent volatility, with Bitcoin placing a brand new all-time high over $68,000 in November as well. Ethereum's price went above $4,400 Wednesday, continuing its climb after a big drop over the weekend. It dropped below $3,700 Saturday morning, extended a sudden and decisive drop that started Friday afternoon. The following decrease followed a relatively strong week for Ethereum, which nearly hit $4,800, close to its current all-time high last Wednesday. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by volume, but its many uses can create a much larger learning curve for new investors than Bitcoin. Bill Noble, chief technical analyst at Token Metrics, said, Ethereum serves two purposes. One, it acts as money and can be a store of value, but Ethereum is also like a highway for decentralized finance. Rather than developing value as a digital gold like Bitcoin, Ethereum is a software platform that runs on a blockchain. Customers can interact with the platform using Ether, the cryptocurrency related to Ethereum, or buy and keep it as a store of value. Ethereum is generally used by developers. However, there are people who also make investments inside the crypto for its capability to be well worth greater through the years. Before getting started, we need to understand what is Ethereum. On the heels of Bitcoin, Ethereum was invented by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin in 2015. Ollie Leach said, Vitalik Buterin realized that Bitcoin is like a pocket calculator, designed to do one thing, and it does it really well, but you can't do anything else with it. At the same time as you can purchase and change Ethereum as an investment like Bitcoin, it's also a software platform developers can use to create new programs. Often crypto-adjacent or otherwise designed to make buying, selling and using cryptocurrency a smoother system. Like the ones on your smartphone, these apps may be anything from lending apps to payment systems. Leach said, people can complete direct transactions over the network. Peer-to-peer lending is gaining popularity on Ethereum right now. A lending app developed on the Ethereum network allows individuals to lend money to one another without involving a bank. Okay, now let's have a look at a few factors to consider for Ethereum in the future. Number 1. Network effects. The biggest advantage of Ethereum is the network effect. It is the first and therefore the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. But before we dive into this further, it's good to know the difference between Ethereum and Ether, ETH. These terms are often used interchangeably. By Ethereum we mean the network and the blockchain. You can find all transactions of a cryptocurrency on a blockchain, and on Ethereum transactions are paid with ETH. Ethereum is the whole system, while Ether is the associated currency. Due to much flexibility, most of the programmers are investing in Ethereum for long-term growth. Number 2. Developments in 2021. Two main and amazing developments can push the direction of Ether to new heights. The first is the introduction of a brand new set of rules called Proof of Stake. The second one is the development of DeFi. Ethereum 2.0. With the renewal of Bitcoin's historic high, all attention is riveted on it. Volumes and interest are growing, and new institutional investors are coming. However, crypto investors with a long-term planning horizon prefer Ethereum 2.0. The project already reached the top 30 in terms of capitalization. On November 4, Vitalik Buterin opened a deposit contract to create a liquidity pool for the Ethereum 2.0 network. At that moment, crypto investors had reserved 1.7 million ETH. By 2022, Ethereum is expected to switch from the current proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake. Miners won't need energy-intensive mining anymore. Instead, staked Ether is going to secure the network. Some experts claim that it will increase its scalability, security, and sustainability, so they expect the value of Ethereum to rise as well. DeFi. A very important development in recent times is the growth of DeFi. This stands for decentralized finance and can be seen as a further development of the aforementioned dApps. DeFi companies are service providers that provide loan services on the Ethereum blockchain, where only a smart contract is required for the export. As DeFi continues to grow, the companies that hold ETH as collateral will also grow, so it's a great idea to keep an eye on Ethereum updates. Number 3. 2021 price forecasts. ETH, just like the rest of the marketplace, is at the center of Bitcoin's price movement. So while Bitcoin begins a quick race, ETH also has a desire for it. With the pandemic outbreak, the sector hibernated for some months and it negatively impacted cryptocurrencies, causing Bitcoin to move downhill as we recorded even 40% day-by-day losses. However, the situation quickly stabilized and Bitcoin as a standard bearer got the crypto market back on track. We have been in a bull race during the July to August and paying attention to analytics on social media, and reporters' desks puts us a long way from the local peak. The Ethereum price is forecasted to reach at least $6,156 by the beginning of December 2021. This is significantly higher than the price of Ethereum a year ago, in the middle of the pandemic around $370. Number 4. Price predictions for 2022. Predictions for 2022 vary from the minimum price of $3,843 to more than $15,000. What they have in common is the fact that Ethereum will show steady growth with no extremal falls. The future holds only positive change according to all experts. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts upset Ethereum holders with their prediction for January 2022. They said the year will begin with a minimum price of $3,843.543, which is not that different from the price at the end of December 2021, which is $3,809.860. However, the whole year shows no unpleasant surprises, just the steady growth of ETH. The maximum price of $5,266.339 will be reached in December 2022. Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor claims anyone who is worried about Ethereum by forecasting that 2022 will begin with the minimum price of $4,456.890. The average price will be $6,092.020 in July. December will lighten up the mood with a maximum price of $7,825.020. Coin price. Coin price forecasted. In the first half of 2022, the price will climb to $8,779, and a trend of declining will then be noticed. Experts think that Ethereum will likely fall by $580 in the second half, and by the end of 2022, the price will be $8,199. Number 5. A good investment or bad? Ethereum 2.0 allows Ethereum to scale up from an average of 30 transactions per second to 100,000 transactions per second. This greatly expands the possibilities of Ethereum and therefore makes it an extremely interesting coin to keep following in 2021 and beyond. If investing in Ethereum seems like an interesting idea, you should start with demo accounts, putting very low investment in cryptocurrency. Once you're good to go with, you can increase the amounts. As always, keep an eye on everything before getting into the money games. Always keep an expert around you to understand the structure. Subscribe to the channel and keep the money masters around you. Let me know if you have any questions, just place them below in the comments section and also provide us with your valuable feedback on the videos. See you with another great video. Until then.